Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to do something crazy. It's a cheese wrap that my wife saw on Pinterest, and I don't have a Pinterest account. I try to stay away from Pinterest because it's a rabbit hole that... Anyway, you know what Pinterest is. At any rate, this is crazy. Standard American cheese. I don't like American cheese, but it's the kind of sliced cheese that I have here. So we're going to take this and we're going to simply rip this into bits, okay? And we're going to use it to divide into bigger pieces. I guess I need another piece. I need 3 pieces. So, but what we're going to do is we're just going to make this thing kind of, and take a 3rd piece and just put it right here. So give me a second, let me grab another piece. An awful lot of American cheese for somebody that doesn't like American cheese, but hey, if this actually works, I'll be impressed. So, we're going to take this, let's set it just like this, okay? And this is parchment paper again, just simple parchment paper. So now what we're going to do, actually I need to move this, because you need to be able to fold it in half. So we've got to make sure that's kind of mushing up there. Okay, so we're going to do like this. We're going to put this like this. Okay. Now we're going to stick it in the microwave for 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And we're going to get out a rolling pin, if I can find it. There's a rolling pin. It's not the one I normally use, but it'll work. So 15 seconds. It's supposed to be malleable at this point. It smells like melted American cheese. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to smush it out into the bigger area to make it kind of a roundish thing. I'm not really sure exactly how you're supposed to keep it consistent, because holy crap, this is inconsistent. And hey, I'm getting cheese all over everywhere. That's fun. Tastes like cheese. Alright. It's not very consistent at all. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just supposed to go set it in the freezer and let it cool down, and then we'll peel it off and see how it actually acts. Okay, so in the fridge, or sorry, in the freezer, let it sit. It's a little tough to peel. Got some eggs over here that I cooked up to put inside of here. If it works. These edges are a little tough. Probably because I rolled them so thin. Come on. Okay. There we go. It's just like a really thin piece of cheese. I'm not understanding the... And I guess if you could do this with the slices probably just make it easy. I mean, I guess you could do it with some kind of shredded cheese. But it's making me wonder. I don't think that's going to help. These edges are just really rough. I mean, this is even like a nice hard edge. Oh man. It seems like a good idea, but this cheese is just it's not solid enough to really do it. Unless I'm totally missing something here. I mean, it's coming up, you can see, but it's like it's not really, I mean, I don't know. There we go. It's kind of like a wrap. And as soon as you put something hot in it, it immediately melts. Which makes sense. Wow. I did not see that one coming. Because I'm an idiot. Wow, that's amazing. This is one of those fun ones where you can look at a fool make some food and then make a huge mess. So yeah, maybe if you wanted to make a mess, this recipe would be worth making, but certainly don't think you're going to make yourself a breakfast wrap with some cheese, because it's not going to work. It's going to turn into this. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.